Hey there, young listeners! Welcome to Read, Believe, Grow TV. I'm Keesana J. Fanning. Today on Story Time with Bible Stories, we are going to talk about a man who had a serious need. Have you ever walked around with your eyes closed? Yep, I'm sure you have. We've even played games. I have. And it's kind of tricky. Imagine not being able to see anything. Not the sun, not the birds, not the colors, not even your friends' silly faces. Today, we're going to talk about a story about a man who was blind and how he met Jesus and what Jesus did for him that changed his life completely. Okay, let's not waste any time and just get to it.
Once upon a time in the town of Jericho, there was a man named Bartimaeus. Now Bartimaeus was blind, which means he couldn't see anything. No fluffy clouds, no funny cats, no ice cream cones. Oh no! Every day Bartimaeus sat by the roadside, listening to the sounds of people walking by and hoping someone would give him a little help. One day Bartimaeus heard a lot of excited chatter. What was all the fuss about? Well, Jesus was passing by. That's right, Jesus, the one who healed the sick, made the lame walk, and even calmed storms. When Bartimaeus heard that Jesus was near, he knew this was his chance. So he shouted, "Jesus, Son of David, have mercy on me!" But guess what? The people around him told him to be quiet. But Bartimaeus couldn't give up. No way. He shouted even louder, "Jesus, Son of David, have mercy on me!" This time, Jesus stopped. Yes, he stopped right in his tracks and said, "Call him here." The people were surprised and then quickly called Bartimaeus over. "Cheer up," they said. "Jesus is calling you." Bartimaeus was so excited, he jumped up, threw off his cloak, and ran straight to Jesus. When Bartimaeus reached Jesus, Jesus asked him, "What do you want me to do for you?" Without a missing beat, Bartimaeus said, "Rabbi, I want to see." And Jesus, with a kind smile, said, "Go, your faith has healed you." Suddenly Bartimaeus could see. He looked around, amazed by the colorful world he had never seen before. And do you know what he did next? He followed Jesus down the road, praising God the whole way.
Bartimaeus couldn't see anything, but he had something else: faith. He believed that Jesus could heal him, and Jesus did. This story shows us that when we trust in Jesus, amazing things can happen. Thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the story. I'll see you again next week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a good day. Bye.